Today on the table we have a SYNCO MIC-D2 condenser microphone. The mic follows a Hyper-Cardioid pattern. It has a solid brass body and it has an extremely low self-noise tendency. Also, it has a ultra flat frequency response and it has a 3-pin XLR connector. The mic does not have any internal power, so it has to be connected to a phantom power in order to work properly. Now let's get to the unboxing. So inside the box we have this amazing carbon fiber looking bag with the SYNCO logo in front, as well as SYNCO logos mounted on the zips. It also has a carrying handle. Inside the amazing case we have everything perfectly seated. There's a manual with brief instructions for setup. It does not mention this, but again, this mic does need phantom power in order to operate. A microphone mount that has a 5/8 thread at the bottom. And how can we forget the XLR to XLR male-female extension cord that this comes with. The mic on its body features a vintage looking SYNCO logo towards the bottom, and don't even get me started on the top. It just looks so amazing and perfectly built. Also, it's pretty clear from the audio on this video that this mic does not pick up a lot of noise. That's been my review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.